Hello, this is Ace the Weatherman from Channel Ace, and we're currently looking at our future cast. We are looking at our future cast. This is now current. You can see the remnants of Earl is right here still, but Earl's not really around anymore by any means. But we are seeing some we should be looking at our potential development areas. So let's get into that and see if these may potentially interfere. These two may potentially form as something, so we gotta keep an eye on them. So let's go forward in time. And just letting you guys know this thing goes every 3 hours instead of every hour. It's weird. You can see it's starting something formed just right off the coast of Africa. As well as towards west of the Leeward Islands, you can tell as well. And as these changes move, and we have about two high pressure systems, so this thing is literally going to bring these two towards the United States of America, which is also known as here. And then it'll keep on going. This one, the one just west of the islands, it's hard to say if it's going to go through the Caribbean or towards Florida. We would have to see for that. Yeah. As we keep on going forward in time, you can see there's more formation out of this one as well. You can see those little winds starting to spark up around, probably right around 35 miles per hour. So it's pretty much a tropical depression at this time. And we keep on going. And this is like Friday, so we keep on going. And this is Saturday early morning. You can see it's still hanging on right there. It would be north of Puerto Rico, heading towards the Dominican Republic and Haiti. And then it re-strengthens again as soon as it gets out of that area. Might be the mountains interfering. But the more it goes, it re-strengthens again. Like 3 times it re-strengthens. Just keeps on going. Keep on going. Actually, I don't think it'll be this one. It's a small chance. But this one right here that was just right off the coast of Africa, heading towards the islands again, that may form into something. As we saw towards like the 21st. Or if not, maybe it is that same system that's near the islands. And it just keeps on strengthening. Keeps on going. You can see it gets towards more windier towards the towards Florida areas. And you can just see both of them still trying to cruise up there. And we keep on going. And you can see it just strengthens. Yeah. I have a feeling it's gonna turn into something. And the more closer we get towards time, and that's close to nearly a tropical storm. So if you live in Florida, I would prepare for this potential tropical system because this thing may do something. So I would just keep an eye on it. So it's um, yeah. I mean, let's see. I'll play back again. I know that. Give me 1 second, guys. But let's take a look at the storms right now. As you can see, there's one in New Mexico and parts of Maryland. We will look at that in just a second. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta do something. If my computer would let me. Man. You guys look at that map for a couple of seconds. Gee Louise, why does this computer have to be so stubborn? Dude. I don't know, guys. My computer is being so stupid right now. No, it's not. It was a couple of seconds ago. Alright, just keep an eye on those. Alright, guys. We are going to stop the virtual camera for just a couple of seconds. I'll put myself on mute while I fix this problem. And we will be right back. Okay? No, it's working. This makes sense. Oh, did I realize my sound's still on? Oh, sorry, guys. All right, guys. So let me turn on the camera again. You guys see that? Yes, you can. All right. Thought I muted myself, but I didn't. Yeah. And then, as you can see, we do have severe thunderstorm warning towards just west of east of Baltimore, and that is currently what we're looking at. I mean, it's kind of strong. It doesn't look as strong as it was. I remember looking at it a couple seconds ago. This one towards New Mexico. This one kind of looks a little bad, I gotta say. So, it's been pretty slow. So, I'm just keep an eye on this one because this looks like it may potentially form as a tornado. Not very sure about it, but you never know. So, gotta keep an eye on it. So, but I'm just gonna show you guys this for just a couple seconds. Yeah, not very long, but at least you guys got to see it. Yeah. All right, guys, we are going back to our. There we go. All right, guys, we are back into here. I was just showing you guys the severe thunderstorms. Currently, there's only two, so that's why this one is mainly underneath the 9 severe weather, like I've been doing, which went pretty good. I mean, it's time to go to like this as well. And we will look at the temperatures as well. But let's look at the winds. I don't think you guys saw this yet, though. But you guys could see that low. Just keep on going right along towards Ohio. I mean, it was a little windy there earlier today, nearly about 20 miles per hour. So high winds. As we keep on going forward in time, and it looks like it goes into Canada. So that's what we will be mainly focusing on. It just keeps on going. 17 days from now, 17, 18, somewhere around there. You can see another one starting to form with a big cold front. It looks like it's pretty strong cold front, I gotta say. And then form towards and if you guys ever want to keep up with the time, look at the bottom. It shows Thursday 15th, 16th, 17th. Just letting you guys know it's September 2020. 2022. I mistake myself. Sorry about that, guys. aren't we are not going back to, I mean, I'd be 12 by then. And yeah, but I mean, I love it down here. Well, don't want to go back in time, you know. I didn't tell you that. Do not want to go back in time. But you can see, can't I mean I can't. California. If you go, not Paris, sailing. Actually, maybe it is called that. I don't know. Rough beach days towards the Carolinas, Georgia, and northern Florida, as well as parts of Louisiana as well. I mean, soon, and then you see this big fat thing just going towards Washington. But if you live towards that area, you know that these things would like weaken if you can see that little bright color type thing. Oh, why did it pause? Oh, that's weird. It paused. And I think he was going forward in time. But during the fall, you really see big ones. Like, I mean, now actually like about 20, you're like 30 miles per hour in the plains, northern plains towards the Rockies. And then you can see that cold front just keep on going down. You can definitely see that cold front. Yeah, especially by the winds. And then it's usually this time of year when the winds start like getting up getting up there in the Midwest. So, hey guys, we will be looking at temperature, and that is it. Okay, so let me pause. Hey guys, let me just stop there. Let's see. Oh, trying to zoom in where you guys could see it. Now let's look at temperatures now. Temperature. There we go. Yep, we got it. All right. All right, guys, we are back on here. It's currently 9 o'clock right now, so these are our current temperatures. Looking towards about the 50s towards parts of Indiana. Looks like we're close to like 60 towards parts. I mean, it looks like you can see that cold front right there. I mean, it's pretty chilly right there. Yeah, big cold front towards the east right now, and then the west as well. I mean, I'd say the west is right around the 80s. So yeah, if we keep on going forward in time, we cool off. You can see it really gets kind of chilly towards northern parts of Indiana. Oh, and also we will be talking about snow soon. I did look at the future cast on here, and I saw some snow towards parts of Colorado, Utah, parts of California, even. So as you can see, cools off. You can see those little like bluish temperature color areas, things like that. I mean, it gets pretty cooler. But you can see the ridge is now starting to go towards like the plains. Yeah. And it'll snow. I mean, I want to say about an inch towards parts of Colorado. You can see it really gets cold towards parts of those areas. I believe Wyoming is also another state. So about 4 states will be dealing with snow pretty soon. All right, guys, I'll show you guys this for a little bit more time, and then I will have to stop the recording. So, because my battery's almost dead on my PC. Wow, getting close towards the 20s. Actually, maybe the 20s towards parts of Colorado. Yeah. You can see this big fat ridge just bringing all that heat and moisture. But then you can see that cold front starts moving in. And it kind of weakens somewhat, but you can see, I mean, parts of Washington getting towards the possible 20s as well, towards mountainous areas. But you can see this big, fat, warm front that just fills the whole plains and Midwest area. And parts of the South even. Wow. Yeah, it really gets cold towards, and then we have this big fat heat that just builds towards the east and the west. Looking at very cold temperatures at night. I mean, nearly the 20s, and you can see it just gets even colder. So we could see about nearly about 5 to 10 states that may be dealing with snow soon. I mean, probably next week actually. That's Monday the 19th. So, and then you can see that cold front starting to build once again, and then it just keeps on going. But wow, looks pretty warm towards the east. The east, yeah, towards the east. It just gets very cold towards the west, and just keeps on getting colder. And warms up again, but you can see that cold front, and then you can see, like I said, towards the Bahamas, we could see a tropical storm starting to form. Hmm. Seems like it's. It looks like it's going to track like what's its name did in Irma. Yeah, Irma. Looks like it's kind of doing that. Even by 7 p.m. it gets towards the 20s towards Wyoming already. So the teens or maybe even single digits even towards Wyoming, and that's not very common. I don't think it's that common by this time of the year. So just keep an eye on it. Yeah. All right, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. So, this is Ace the Weatherman from Channel Ace. See you guys in the next one.